Hello and welcome to Company Interiors. My name's Nick Clark, and in today's video we're looking at the installation of one of our brand new products, our Birchwood 3D world maps. I've been looking for a product like this for a long time. I'm a world traveller myself, wanted to try and put some of our artifacts as where we've been. Also, we ship all over the world, and I wanted this on the wall behind my desk in my home office here. So in the description below there is a link to this product that you can have a look at. Two different sizes on offer: large, extra large. The one that we're installing today is large. So this is the second video. We've done the unboxing, we've laid out the map on my desk here, which is just about big enough from 1.5 meters from left to right. I've marked that out here on the back wall. I've centered it, I've leveled it, and now I've put the templates in place. So it's worth checking out the first video of the unboxing, because I give you some hot tips on how to use the double-sided tape. Just so it speeds it up, it will save you a lifetime if you do check that out. So let's offer the first section up here. That tape is solid as a rock. That is going nowhere. So make sure with the first one that you put it in the template and you get it in the right place. Second section going up. Press that onto the wall. It seriously does look an amazing product just from here. Two parts from the US, the Canada, North Pacific, absolutely amazing. It's such a fantastic quality product. I can't emphasize enough the quality of it. It is CNC'd, computer generated, cut material to perfection. It is like a big jigsaw puzzle. The family would have an amazing time just installing this for themselves. Now, the instructions that come in the box, perfectly clear. Nobody's great at geography. Check out the next section that you've just put in, and we're going with Mexico. So Mexico was this small part here. Here we go. Just checking, because that is going to fit nicely right underneath our section here. Because it is so detailed, because it is so fine, the details and the cuts between the panels do fit absolutely perfectly. Now as you start to look at the detail of the product, once again, I mean, I don't know, I'm just really surprised and genuinely excited about the quality of the product. Now this one is multicolored birchwood, as I might have said before, and it's really popping. It's really standing out from the office. It's going to look fantastic once finished. We're down into another section here, which is Brazil. Just going to make sure I get that right, because that is just touching. Absolutely mint, absolutely perfect. I travelled there last year into Mexico, went whale watching, and in some of the other products that are going to be on offer, you can look in the link in the description. We are actually coming up with destination pins. So, you know, whether you've shipped things to a certain continent across America, as we do, or you've actually been on holiday swimming with whale sharks off the continent. There we are then, the completed the completed product on the wall. Now with all of the islands and the bits and pieces and detail, it probably did take another 20 minutes in fairness, but it was a very enjoyable process. I think you'll agree, a fantastic looking product. Check it out in the description below. There's a link directly to the product if you should wish to have a look for yourselves. In the meantime, I shall do a few close-ups so you can see some of the detail, but amazing 3D world map on the wall.